Hello student, good morning. Today's our topic is about database management system. In short, we can say that DBMS. So what is database management system? You may define it is a collection of data and other related information that you can store in it well mannered form. It is used to store the large amount of data. There are different type of database management system like MS Access, SQL, MS Excel, Oracle, extra. We today study about MS Access. MS Access is another part of MS Office package. So click on start button, click on all program, click on MS Office, Microsoft Office and click on MS Access. This is your MS Access. So first we learn about its component as usual like MS Word, MS PowerPoint. It has title bar. These are menu bar, a quick access toolbar is a file menu, and file menu contain different options like save as object, save as database, open, close, recent info, new, print, save, etc. So when you click on file menu, click on new, and there is a different templates, and you select blank database, and from here you click on create option and it create your database. So why we need database? There are some advantage for using this software or package. We, just like it avoid duplicate of data, you can store your data safely. Inconsistent avoidance, it means it used by multiple people uh, at single database. You can update and retrieve your data, access your data at particular time, and there are different type of use for different user of for database. Okay, this is used for various options like store of data, search for data, add, modify or delete your data, query your data, and produce your reports. Okay, so which type you data can enter in this package, like text, like memo, like number, like date and time, and like currency. Okay, and if you are entering text as a for data, so up to 225 characters can type in a cell, or you can store in a table. Memo is used for a lengthy text such numbers, note, descriptions, extra, and it can store 65,536 characters up to. Number type data, it is used for number data. You can only type number in this type of data. Date and type used for date and time. Currency in a this is used for currency value. This is a rounding of calculation like 9.78. So it uh, rounding option is create like 10. So is for starting uh, like other software like other uh, application software, MS Office, Word or PowerPoint, you can click on start button, click on all program and click on Microsoft Office and select your program and open your data. And file menu, it contain new option, select database, blank database and click on create and it open your data program. Okay, a database it contain a different type of objects like table, and these objects you can see in create group, table, query, form, reports, macro and codes. What is table? As you know, table is made by intersect of row and column and it used for store data also. Query Query used for selective variety, a selective retrieve and display data inside the table. From query, you can uh, take your selected data from tables inside. Forms, forms, it is used to display the content in one record at a time. Reports, reports, it is used for summarize and present data in a table. Macro, macro and codes is a set of actions which are used to run automated some tasks, and code code are defined to declare statement and procedure written in the Visual Basic for application programming language. Okay, first of all, when you are working in this, first home tab, it is show view, table view, datasheet view and design view. Okay, sorting, filters, records, finds. This is a text formattings which are apply after you create your table. So click on create group. First, you select your table view. This is a database view and this is a table design. So for convenient way, you can select your table design. So this is your designing of your table, which is give you field name and data type and description. Okay, field name, which type of data you want to store in your database. So first select your field name, like name. This is field. Data type, which type of data? Okay. Now select your data type and which type of your data. Field is your name. To name you can type in text or from drop down click. There are different type of data type which is depend on your field name. So you can take text as a data type. Description if necessary, then you can give. Otherwise it is not need in your database. After this, like roll number. Roll number, you can take roll number as a number, like, like uh, phone number. You can select number and memo as your requirement. If you type lengthy number like 10 or 11 digits, so you can type select your data type memo. It is easier to type your phone number. Okay, this uh, city city you can type in text. Okay, so we want to create a table. So first we select field name. According to field name we give data types. Now we save our table as a field table name table. So project 1. Okay, yes. So this is navigation bar. We display your table. So you select project 1. Now this is field name, roll number, phone number, city. So first name 1, city, click tab again. So this is your database system. You can formatting on this table as your requirement. So select from this. If you want to format on it, so you can format from here. Okay, so this format apply on here. You can align your text. Okay, you can want to apply border, grid, line both, or coloring, so you can apply on it as your requirement. Okay, you can change font size, you can align right or left, you can sort your data from here, ascending or descending. Okay, and you can bold from here, italic from here, underline from here. This is your data uh, management system. Okay, and you can change your table view like pivot chart, like this. Pivot table provide the summarization data about group of record. So you can select this is your pivot table. Okay, id, roll number, city, phone number, and add to your data or table. Okay, like this. Or you can take pivot chart, so you can take a pivot chart from this, like city, phone. You can see cities. Okay, add to. Okay, so this is your pivot table and pivot chart. And so pivot chart display your pivot table view in chart form. Okay, so first you create your table from table group, or again you want to see your table in a table view, datasheet view, so select from here. Or design view, you can select from here, and you can change your table in pivot table view and pivot chart view like that. And you can take pivot chart like that. Or again you want to see, so, or you can change your chart type from here by extra. Or again you want to view your datasheet view again from collecting, select from this. So this is the database system, a simple table creation. After table creation, we can uh, choose any database object like query, form, reports, and macro. First, you uh, take practice on create your data table from table design or simple data table. If you want to add data to table or extra, then you press tab and again you can type your table data and select your table view. And when it select, it open its table tools, table styles, fields, different fields, extra. Or from home, you can change your style of view. Okay, so this is your first data object in database management system. So key practice, you can also remove from here any formatting, find, replace, go to as usual. They work. We can watched in previous software videos. Okay, have a nice day.